Good morning, it's Keto Granny. I like to say welcome to Keto Time with Keto Granny. And I'm just doing a quick check-in to see how you are progressing and doing on your weight loss journey. I haven't really seen a whole lot of questions in the group, but I want to just check in to see where are you at on your journey. I know that everyone is not beginners on starting on the ketogenic diet in the group. Some of us have been doing this diet for a long time. Some of us have really been doing it long. I've only been doing the ketogenic diet for a year and 10 months. But during that time, I've been able to lose 115 pounds. I still have an additional 50 to 60 pounds that I'd like to lose on the ketogenic diet. But this diet has changed my life. It has given me my life back. I love to get up in the mornings. I can't wait to find something to do. You know, I have a much happier smile on my face because it's more of a legitimate smile. When I was really big, I'm still big now, but when I was really big and really obese, I was miserable. A person doesn't know, if they haven't been there, how miserable it really is to be overweight, where your knees hurt, your back hurt, you're always having a lot of medical issues with your heart, your breathing, and different things like that. So I am so glad that I learned about the ketogenic diet. I did my research, I talked to my doctor, and then I started the ketogenic diet. It took me a while to get my body switched from sugar to ketones because I kept going back, kept, eating, sneaking in that bread, sneaking in those cookies and cake and those pastries on the side. So it took me a while probably to get all the way to ketosis, but during that time I was practicing low carb eating. So that did help me as far as getting adjusted to the ketogenic diet. Now I didn't just rush into it, like I said, it took me time. I had to introduce vegetables, back into my life, I might as well say, because I only ate certain type of vegetables. Certain things, so I had to relearn what vegetables were the best vegetables to eat. They have vegetables that they call nightshades or root vegetables. Those vegetables, I have learned, cause a lot of inflammation in your body. Now you can probably get away with eating some of them sometime, but it's not something that I would do all the time because it causes inflammation in your body. Now on the ketogenic diet, after I learned how to eat, I started feeling that I was eating cleaner foods, even though I was eating basically the same foods. I learned how to eat them in a different way. I learned how to combine them with other foods and how not to combine them with foods. That way when eating them, they benefited my body mostly. So I want to say to anyone, if you have some health issues that you need to overcome, you want to just get healthier generally, you want to feel better mentally, you want to look better, you want to lose weight, look into the ketogenic diet. Talk to your doctor about the ketogenic diet. It's a good diet. I've heard so many people say that this diet is hard to follow. It may be hard switching over first, just because your body is so used to burning sugar. You're so used to eating carbs. You're so used to having processed foods like the boxed cereals, the boxed mashed potatoes, the boxed macaroni and cheese. All of these things grow naturally. They were never meant to be put in a box. But once we learn anything, we want to make it more convenient, and so they process those foods and took out a lot of the nutrients and vitamins and minerals and put in all this extra stuff, cornstarch and different things to preserve it on the shelf. So all of these things that we're putting into our body by eating these type of foods are not good for us. We need to go with whole foods, with natural foods. These are the best foods and the cleanest foods for us to eat. So this is Keto Granny saying, start your day, start with a prayer, step out on faith, because you got this. You can do this. Put yourself first as far as getting healthy. You have to be healthy in order to take care of others. So put yourself first when it comes to being healthy so that you'll be around to take care of others. Anyway, this is Keto Granny. I've got to get on over to the gym, get my workout started because I got a couple of other things I need to do today. But I just want to say, be safe and have a great day.